Hello, Happy New Year. Welcome to Reuben Reviews. Watch the graphics. I've been a bit slack with my videos on this channel, to be honest. I've been concentrating a bit more on the Eco Gypsy channel, but we're going to get a bit more on it in the new year. I'm going to show you this today, which I've been after one of these for a little while. I've done what I usually do, is I've bought a cheap version of it to see if it's actually any good, because you see the adverts on the internet and they're not always cracked out to be anything decent, but this thing could be good, so I'll show you it now. So here it is. It's so good it hasn't even really got a name. It's a WZTO Witso little mobile pressure washer, manual electric washing machine. Oh, there's a rat. Yeah, so we better just sort this out first. Okay, that's that little problem solved. Humanely dispatched via Terrier. Right, so this is what it comes like. This is just a little mobile pressure washer. Comes in a box, 2 batteries. You've got a little container here to connect obviously your soap or whatever you're using, and 2 heads and a little charger, and I think that's about it. And the instruction manual's probably in Chinese. Yeah, so again, don't know, might be a load of rubbish, but I'm going to give it a little blast and see if it's any good. So I've put this together. There's not a lot to it really, just battery in, obviously hose connection onto the bottom. This screws in, pipe on, and then it's got a little filter at that end, just to obviously keep your sediment and stuff out. So just for the benefits of this, angled one. Well, I don't know if that's so powerful, but it works. So we literally just got this watering can with some water in. I'm going to see if that'll pick it up out of that. If it does, that'll be brilliant. We haven't got any mains water here on site, so we're on rainwater here. So I'm always needing to clean stuff down, wash stuff down, spray tanks out, etc, etc. So if this works for this, it'll be worth the £29 that I've paid for it. And considering we're just pulling that out of a watering can, I'm reasonably impressed with that. 2 batteries, so I mean, if you got an hour out of them, I should think that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, there we go. This is another Amazon purchase. They have got them on there up to sort of 200 or 300 quid, which I imagine are probably a lot more powerful than this one. But again, for what I need, that'll probably do. Clean the back of the transit. Wow. Well, it's not alarmingly powerful, but try this. Yeah, handy thing. So there we go, the portable pressure washer. Little Witso, good. That's a thumbs up from me on that one. We'll see how long it lasts, or how long it takes me to break it, but I think that's going to come in handy around the yard. Like I said, I'm going to try and get my finger out this new year and just do more videos and put more content up. I've got a load of things to review, some old machinery, some old mowers and some other newer stuff I bought as well. So if you hate the channel and you'll think it's a load of old shit, no problem. Please subscribe to my other channel, which is Eco Gypsy. If you enjoy this one and you've got ideas, you want to send me some feedback and say look into this or try that, then I'll be more than happy. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.